When you suddenly slam the brakes in your car and hear a grrrr sound, it feels like the brakes have failed, right? But this is not a problem. Your car is actually trying to save you. This system is called ABS, or anti-lock braking system. During hard braking, the wheels can lock up and the car starts to skid. Want more hidden car facts like this? Follow Unfold Labs, you'll get them daily. ABS rapidly releases and reapplies the brakes about 10 to 15 times per second. And that's the vibration and grinding-like sound you feel. This doesn't mean there's any damage. The system is keeping you in control. Next time you brake hard, pay close attention and feel it.